Welcome to the ExactFlow Order Module, the operational backbone that connects orders, invoices, shipping, returns, and automation into one powerful end-to-end flow. Built for operations, warehouses, finance teams, and managers, this is where every order stays visible, traceable, and under control. Everything begins in the order list. Here, all orders from connected sales channels appear in one unified view. You instantly see order status, payment status, totals, source, and progress, clearly marked with color-coded labels. Advanced filters, bulk actions, stars, archive, and trash make high-volume order management fast and structured. No chaos, no blind spots. Open an order and you land on the Add Order page, a complete command center for a single order. Add products from inventory or manually, manage payments, issue invoices, reserve stock, create shipments, and update order status, all from one screen. Every address, document, shipment, and action stays connected and fully traceable. The Invoices section handles standard invoices, pro forma invoices, receipts, corrections, and sales registers, all generated directly from orders. Advanced search and filters make documents easy to find, while built-in exports keep accounting, VAT, and compliance clean and stress-free. No re-entry, no numbering issues, no missing data. The Returns page gives you full visibility into every return request. Track return status, payment state, refund progress, and fulfillment, all in one structured list. Filters and bulk actions make handling returns fast, even at scale. Returns stay organized, accountable, and easy to manage. The Add Return page lets you process individual returns with precision. Link returns to existing orders or clients, add returned products, manage refund amounts, update statuses, and create return shipments, all while keeping full payment and status history. Nothing slips through the cracks. With order statuses, you define how orders move through your business. Create custom statuses, assign colors, group them logically, and set defaults. This makes progress instantly visible for teams and customers, and keeps operations aligned with your real workflow. Automatic actions turn events into automation. When an order is fetched, reserved, or updated, ExactFlow can automatically change statuses or trigger predefined actions without manual input. Fewer clicks, fewer mistakes, more speed. The shipment log gives you a clear overview of all shipments. Track packages by courier, status, date, or tracking number, from new to delivered. Every shipment stays linked to its order for complete transparency. In order settings, you control how everything works. When orders are completed, what appears in the order list, how returns, reasons, and item statuses behave, which order sources and warehouses apply. Behind it all, detailed logs record every action, manual or automatic. The ExactFlow Order Module connects every step, from order creation to automation and delivery. Clear workflows, full visibility, zero guesswork. ExactFlow Orders doesn't just manage orders, it runs your operations.